Hi, my name is Mariana and I'm the design director here at Good Housekeeping. Today I'm going to be organizing my fridge, which is long overdue for an overhaul. So the first thing that I did was to clean out the fridge completely. I put everything into a cooler and I tossed everything that had expired or gone bad. The next thing I did was to take out all the bins and drawers and wash them with warm soapy water and make sure they were really dry before I put them back in the fridge. I also wiped down all the shelves and dried them as well before I put anything back in. The next step was to take all the bins that I had bought and figure out where they fit best in the fridge. You might need to play around with the bins and figure out what works best for you and your family when you're organizing your fridge. The top of the fridge is always the warmest, so that's where I put canned sodas and leftovers, where I could see them easily and they don't have to be as cold. On the second shelf is where I put our bread, dairy products, and meat. I love using a bin to corral the meat because if it does leak, it's much easier to clean up the bin than to take everything out and clean off the whole shelf. For the bottom shelf, I put a Lazy Susan to corral all of our condiments that we use most frequently. So it's easy to spin and find what you need. It really is best to store milk in the back on the bottom shelf because that's the coldest. But for us and our family, we have a toddler, so we go through milk really quickly. So I decanted half a gallon of milk into a glass jar to take up less space. And we do keep that on the door, but we go through it so quickly, but within a couple days. In the biggest drawer, or deli drawer, I put in a shelf liner and 3 bins to separate everything that we have in there and make it a little bit more accessible and a lot less messy. The door is the warmest part of the fridge. All condiments, jams, sauces, mustards, that sort of thing, I put on the doors because they don't need to be super cold. I love the way the fridge turned out. I can see everything, I know what I've got now, so hopefully this will create a lot less food waste in our house going forward. So it's been 2 weeks since I first organized my fridge. So we're just gonna take a quick peek and see if it is still as clean and organized as it was the day I did it. Okay, moment of truth. All right, not too bad. This drawer always pops out. So here's the one thing that I did change. We have a bunch of veggies this week, so I put the veggies up here. And I put the meat here in this drawer because I only have a couple of things, some chicken and bacon. And as you can see, this drawer got really packed, but with these bins in between, it really helps keep everything organized and in its place. And I can see everything that we've got, which is huge. I kind of dropped the ball on decanting the milk. I just got lazy this week, but I think I would definitely do it again if we had more drinks like iced tea or lemonade and that I was trying to fit in there in addition to the milk. I really actually love this Lazy Susan. It worked out better than I thought, to be honest. I wasn't sure if we were really going to use it, but it is super helpful to be able to spin it, and I really can see everything and access everything easier than having to reach to the back of the fridge to get something. Leftovers on the top have actually been fantastic because I can just see them a little bit better, and it doesn't go, we don't have stuff that goes bad at the back of the fridge so much anymore. The dividers in these drawers have been great too, just dividing the produce and the veggies. I kind of love having this in here. So far so good with that. It's working well so far for us and our family, and everything's staying neat and clean, and I can see everything that we have. So I'm using up a lot more of the food that I buy. I'm really happy that I took the time and went through everything and did this. So hopefully, in a month, 2 months, it'll still look like this. We'll see. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to Good Housekeeping on YouTube, where you can find more fun organization videos like this one. And let us know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.